Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's video, we're taking a look at some products that bring modern convenience to your 2022 to present WRX. Is that real? How are we still doing this? In order to bring you such a good-looking, well-handling, sporty sedan, it still provides you with a turbocharged engine connected to a 6-speed, full-time all-wheel drive transmission. There were some corners that needed to be cut. Don't get me wrong, I'm not bashing the WRX in any way, but to keep this vehicle in a sub $40,000 price tag, there were some things that needed to be cut. Unfortunately, that happens to be in the form of creature comforts you might have come to expect from cars as new as this. Let's start with two of the most frustrating interior options this vehicle is missing. One is wireless CarPlay. At my age, all I want to do is get in, start the car, and have my phone automatically connect without worrying about plugging it in or what kind of USB cable I need in order to plug it into the car. Luckily, Noble has a wireless CarPlay adapter that stays plugged into your vehicle's data transferring USB, allowing your phone to sync automatically with your radio. At this point, all of your songs, GPS, and hands-free features can be controlled through your vehicle's radio. Plus, the dongle tucks up nicely into our front cubby. Unfortunately, this product is only compatible with Apple products, but an Android version is in the works. Which brings us to our second product, which is the Noble 15-watt wireless phone charger. This product also slips into our front cubby, converting this area into a wireless dock station. Its rubber construction keeps your phone from sliding around, while adding 3 additional spots for whatever you might need. For example, our wireless adapter works in tandem with the wireless charger. Another convenient product to consider are these trays from Subaru Trays. This product comes in a few different colors and configurations, helping you organize all that clutter that accumulates in your center console. It's a good habit to keep your valuables out of sight when going back and forth between your vehicle. Yeah, I like this one. Since we're on the topic of organization, I would also like to talk about these mounts from companies like Print3D for your Cobb access port. If you love the performance of aftermarket tuning and monitoring and are looking for a hands-free mount that's easily visible, this is a great option for you. Our final product is one of my favorites, even though it's the most inexpensive add-on we've had today. And that's the Noble Suede trunk partitions. Simply put, it helps to convert your trunk from this to this. Sold as a pair, one for the left and one for the right, this is an easy way to clean up and organize your trunk space. So for more products just like you've seen on the table, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.